that. Yep. بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. أما بعد, for tonight is the 28th of Rabee الثاني 1446, synchronizing with the 30th of October 2024, and we are on the concise presentation of the Fiqh, episode 95, and we are in the will and inheritance part 7, and we're going to be inshallah discussing, if you have your notes with you, regarding some issues that I need to clarify so you could understand. So if you got the notes which is to do with this, the colorful one, and please can you go to the full brother. We're going to just go and read so you could understand what this timetable is all about. So the full brother inheritance is of 3 categories. 3 categories. These categories are as follows. Either he will get nothing, or he will get double the share of the female, which is a sister of his, and third one, he will get the remaining. And each case has conditions. So when he gets 0, that means there is a male branch, son, son of a son, and downwards. Or a male origin, father, father of the father, and upwards. And by the way, there's some madhahib, they say that the father of the father will not, or upwards, will not block the brothers or the sisters. But the correct opinion is that he does. And in your notes, there are the reason why we say that the scholars who said that not just the father, but even the grandfathers will block the brothers and the sisters from inheriting anything. So if there is a male branch or a male origin, then he'll get nothing. Do you have any problem to understand what I'm saying? Easy. Then if there is an agony, so when you look at an equation, and we said, remember, we eliminate the one who's ineligible, correct? We eliminate the one who's completely prevented, correct? And then we say, give the shareholders their shares, and what remains goes to the agony. So before you start collecting the shares and all of that, make sure that you understand the agnates. Who is agnate? Because when he becomes an agnate, those shareholders will not be shareholders anymore. So if there's a daughter and a son, the daughter is not shareholder anymore. She's an agnate with her brother, the son. Do you understand that? So look for any agnates before you start giving shareholders their shares and what remains go to the agnates. You have to work out what the agnates. It's not just the agnates by himself, like a son, but sometimes there's a daughter and a son. There will be agnates as well. So make sure that you get your agnates correct. Right. And then the double share of the female, the full sister, has to be full sister, not paternal, like him. Then that means there's a full sister and no one to prevent him. Then he will get the double share of the full sister. So there is nobody to prevent him, which is the male branch or the male origin. Okay? He will take double share of the full sister. And he will take as an ABO, agnation. Agnation by others. So he's going to be agnation, taking the remaining. Third one, remaining, okay, but here the remaining agnation by himself, that is on his own. There is no one to prevent him, and there is no full sister. Okay, no full sister. Right. If you remember, we talked about the Mushtaraka case and the donkey, so I'm going to skip that to the paternal brother. Paternal brother, he's got 3 cases again. And look at this. This is, it has to make you, inshallah, understanding what we're going on with the agonies. He gets 0, nothing, this paternal brother. He's a brother for the deceased from the father's side, correct? When there's a male branch, male origin, that's understood. But also there's a full brother, because the full brother is stronger agnate than the paternal brother. Paternal brother can't take nothing, all right? So the paternal, are you looking at the case? I'm talking about the case. Are you looking with me, yes? Yeah, yes. Go with me, yeah? Because you have to follow me. So if there's a full brother, then the paternal brother will be completely prevented. Then listen here, there's a full sister, an AWO, that's agnation with others. That means I have to look if there is a full sister and a daughter, or a full sister with daughter of a son and downwards, they agnate with what? With others. So this full sister, she agnates with the daughter, or she agnates with the daughter of the son, or downwards, and that is combine this agnation, a power of a full brother. Do you understand me? This power of theirs is like a full brother. So if that is agnation, it will prevent the paternal brother. Is that understood now? So you have to look there if there's an agnation with others as well. Second one, double share the paternal sister. So that means there's nobody to block him, and there's a paternal sister. Who's going to block him? The one is above. So I'm taking what is above, I'm putting it in brackets. Do you understand what I'm saying here? What is above is in bracket here, the one who doesn't block him. Go ahead. Go on. Yeah. Daughter. Another female. Yeah, no, it has to be. If you look at the agnation, if you look at the agnation, there's an agnation in your file here. So the agnation here, go to a page, according to my, if you look at your pages, go onto the page where it says agnation, and that is page 12 out of 20. You got that one? Okay, so there's agnation. Can you see that? Agnates by, yes, which is, I put it number C here, agnation with others. Full sister agnate with daughter of the son, or paternal sister agnating with the daughter of the son. Okay, it's called agnation with others. This is only agnation with others. No other agnations like that. This is the only, cases.
The son would be basically the male branch, so then it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but this is, remember, there's a son, there's no paternal sister, full sister will be gone away. The son is there, will prevent everybody. Right, so here, so we've got, so in cases when you have agnation with others, so you have to make sure that the daughter, she's still a shareholder in this agnation with others. The only one who received the remaining is the full sister. Agnation with others regarding the paternal sister, the daughter or the daughter's son, they're still shareholders. The one who takes the remaining is the paternal sister. Do you understand that? Okay. And I said that in the notes. And also I said to you, this is where you don't find it anywhere. That is the power. Full sister, agnation with others, they would prevent like a full brother. Paternal sister with agnation with others, I mean with the daughter, she will have the power of a paternal brother. Okay, let's go to the following. So paternal brother got nothing, and then he got double share, please here. Double share the sister, paternal sister, if there is nobody to block him. Can you see I put this one here and I put it there. Then the remaining takes the remaining. If there is nothing of those on the top, I'm just copying this, putting it down. But there is nothing of that on the top, which is no male branch, no male origin, no full brother, no full sister agreeing with others, no paternal sister, then he takes the remaining. Okay? Simple. Okay? Right. The number 9. I have to take my glasses here. You know that you have more light than this area because the lamps are there. I don't have anything here. Yeah, right. Number 9, which is son of the full brother. Son of the full brother. Where is this coming from? Where is it going to? Is it going to where?
That's the microphone.
But why is it tight? There's something wrong here. Oh, yes, it's small, that's why. Because I don't want to strip over it. Yeah, jazakallah khair. Really tight. Barakallah fiqat. Okay. So the second one, it says that the number 9, son of the full brother. Son of the full brother has got only 2 boxes. Either he gets nothing or he gets the remaining. So he's not a shareholder. You understand me? Either he gets nothing or, okay, just 2 boxes. He gets nothing when there is somebody stronger than him, and he will completely be prevented. CP. See, that's the case. So if there is Anybody who blocks, listen to me now, to make it easy. Anybody who blocks the paternal brother will block him because he's son of the full brother, because he's weaker. So whatever's at the top will block him. We then added to it, listen to you, added to it the paternal brother, because the paternal brother is stronger than the son of the full brother, because he's a brother. So the paternal brother here, look, paternal brother blocks him. And here, paternal sister, agnating with a daughter or daughter of the son, she's got the power of a paternal brother. She will block also the son of the full brother. The remaining, if there is nobody from the top. Okay? Simple or not simple? I mean, are you following me? You have to read with me, Zubair. Number 10. Son of the paternal brother, again, he's weaker than the son of the full brother. So whatever blocks the son of the full brother, blocks the son of the paternal brother, added to it the son of the full brother. Can you see that addition here? That's the one, addition. So everything what is there, I added the son of the full brother. So added this onto this. Will prevent it. Is that you following me? So whatever had blocked the son of the full brother had blocked also the son of the paternal brother, added to it son of the full brother at the end there. The remaining if there is nothing from the top. Now we come into the full uncle. Same thing. Full uncle is weaker than the son of the paternal brother. You understand me? So whoever blocks the son of the full brother blocks the full uncle plus the son of the full brother and the son of the paternal. Can you see that? Okay. We put the son of the paternal brother here, added to the one before. Same thing here with the paternal uncle. Whatever blocks the full uncle, added to it the full uncle. Can you see the head? Full uncle addition. Whatever is there, we add it to here. Son of the full uncle. Whatever blocks the paternal uncle, same thing. Blocks, added to it, paternal uncle. Can you see that? The addition is there. The last one. Yeah.
Full uncle is the
Full uncle, look, full uncle, that's my father, brother from both father and mother. Is a brother of my father from father and mother. It's called full uncle. Paternal uncle is the brother of my father from the father's side. And there's no such thing called maternal uncle. Paternal uncle, they are illegible. Okay? Only from the father. As I understood, the full uncle, the Arabs will understand it. The one with Pakistan, in Pakistan will understand. But the one who live in this country may be difficult for them because they've gone detached from their family. So it's my full uncle. But for me, I am full uncle because you are from the old generation of that. Believe me, the new one, they don't understand that. If I tell them, name me some grandfathers, he'll just go to the first grandfather. He doesn't know the name of the father or the grandfather. He doesn't know it. Do you know it? Your father, grandfather. You know the grandfather of your grandfather.
You have a family tree, that's why.
Ah, that's why. If you have a family tree, no, khalas, then you'll know it. Very good. Son of the paternal uncle, we've done. Now, male emancipator. Male emancipator, any agnates will block him. Can you see that? Whether it's agnate by himself, agnate by others, agnate with others. Agnate by himself, like son, son of a son and downwards. Father, upwards. Anyone, even the son of the paternal uncle will block him because then agnate by himself. Agnate by others, that means daughter with the son. Daughter of the son of the son with the son of the son. Agnation by others. Agnation with others, that is full sister with the daughter or daughter of the son and downwards. Or paternal sister with the daughter of the son and downwards. Okay, that's the agnate. You have to understand what is the agnate. Now we're coming to the female. Female is a bit, well, I wouldn't say difficult, but it needs a bit more concentration because they are shareholders. They're not like easy agnates. Daughter, she takes 3 boxes easy for her. Either half of the son share, her brother, or half or 2/3. Okay, so let's just go to the first one. First one, which is, if you look at the last box here, agnation by others. I mean, we've got a son and a daughter. Doesn't matter how many sons and how many daughters. So straight away, the daughter, she will agnate with the son to take the remaining. So when the remaining is there, then she will take it in the way is that double share is the male, and she's half of the share of the male. Okay, she's half of the share of the male. Second one, it says shareholder. That means she's taken a half that she's shared on her own. That's one daughter and no son. There's a son, there's a agnate. If there's a son, she'll agnate. She can't, she'll be a shareholder. So she's in here, she will take a half, there is no son. Fiqh is third box. She takes 2/3. That's in the equation, whatever. Whoever is in the equation. Whoever is in the equation, if he's entitled. So, for example, if it's a father and a son, daughter she takes half, a father takes a half. She'll take all of it. Yes, she'll take all of it. Yes, because if there is nobody there to inherit, yeah, if there is no agnates. So if you got a daughter and a full uncle, daughter and the son of the paternal uncle, how far he is? Daughter half and he's half. Yes, that's why you need to know. So if you haven't got the son of the son of the son of the paternal uncle, how far he is, and he's the only alive, and your daughter, she's half and he's half. See? Takes the agnate. Oh my God, is it? Yes. Right. Coming back. That's why if you have a son, all of those who cannot inherit anything. But if you have a daughter, daughter does not block anything. Unless there's a full sister. Full sister, she agnates, and there's no son of all of them that will not. But she still takes what? Half. She does not exceed the half unless there is nobody to inherit. Then she will take all. Coming back. So have 2/3 if she's 2 daughters and no son. 2 daughters or more, they share the 5 daughters, they share the 2/3. They've got 2 daughters and a father, 4 daughters with a father, they will share the 2/3 and the father will take the remaining. Okay? So the remaining of what is 1/3 for the father. And the 2 daughters will share the 2/3. Okay? Or more. Daughter of a son. By the way, the most difficult one is not the daughter of the son, it's the paternal sister. She got the most boxes, big boxes. Look at the daughter of the son here. This one you need to understand it. Daughter of the son, Ikhwani, she takes nothing in 2 cases. 0, 0. Completely prevented. That is number 1, if there's a son. If there's a son, daughter of the son and son of the son will be gone anyway. True or not? Son of the son or daughter of the son. So son will take her out. Also, that's complete prevention by blocking. But there's complete prevention if there is no shares left. Because we said the daughter is a half. 2 daughters and more, we said 2/3, correct? So if there is a daughter and daughter of a son, then the daughter of the son, she takes the remaining of the 2/3. So daughter should take a half, and the daughter of the son, she takes 1/6 to complete the 2/3. But now, if we had 2 daughters or more, the 2/3 are gone. So when these 2/3 are gone, so here it says 0, if there is 2 daughters or more, to take the 2/3, so their share, and no son of a son or downwards. Why is the son of a son or downwards? Because she will hook onto him and agnate to take the what? The remaining. Do you understand me? When we say agnate, remaining. Okay? So if there is daughter of a son and son of a son or even downwards. Okay? So this daughter of the son, she will be coming now and agnate to take them. So if there is no son of a son, then she's still completely pregnant. Let me give you an example so you could really understand what we have spoken up to now. Give examples. With examples, we will understand what's happening here. I'm trying to take it out. But see, how can I take it out? Right. Are these all of them whiteboard? Yes? Yeah. Right. Okay. So let's just have examples. So we've got a person who's died and he left a daughter of a son, and full uncle. Okay? And I'm sorry for the ones who are online, you can't see this because I can't do anything better than this. Get you closer here. But still you can't see the board. It's gone. It's frozen. Right, I'm going to give you here. That's it. Right. Okay. Daughter of a son, full uncle. Right. So we ask ourselves, is there anybody ineligible? No, everybody's eligible. Is there anybody completely prevented? No complete prevention, because the daughter, it's not 2 daughters here. Daughter. If the shareholders their shares, and what remains goes to the agni. So we have two shareholders here. The daughter and the daughter-son, and he's the agnate. So the daughter, she's on her own. Look at the daughter there. She's one daughter. She takes a half. Okay. Daughter of the son. If you look at the daughter of the son, please can you look at box number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth box of the daughter of the son. It says a 6 when there is one daughter and no son or son of a son. Here there is one daughter and no son of a son. 1, 6. Easy to think about it as well, like this, because the daughters and the daughter of the sons together, they cannot share more than 2/3. Do you understand that? 2/3 of their maximum share. So the daughter, she took a half. So the daughter of the son, she takes the 6 to complete the 2/3. Do you understand me? Because 6 plus a half is 2/3. Is that understood? So, but I put it here for you that she takes a 6 if this is one daughter and no son of a son or son. Full uncle takes the remaining. What's the remaining here in this case? Huh? What's it? He says it. Which is 1/3. We just say, do you understand me? So if you got, so this is 2/6 or 1/3. You put this like this. If you want to know the remaining, the common denominator is 6. This is 3, and this is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, so we're left with 2. 2/6 is 1/3. Okay, so that's the right. So let's just go explore into this. We've got two daughters. Rubbish. They're running out of ink, you know. Right, two daughters, daughter of the son, and I'll leave a full uncle. Full uncle. Right. Same questions. Is there any eligible? Is there any complete prevention? Is there complete prevention? Yes, so is that. Daughter of the son, because they take the 2/3 here. So here she's completely prevented. Daughter of the son, she takes what? 2/3. Two daughters, they will divide third and a third. Two daughters, it could be 5 daughters, it doesn't matter. They still take the 2/3. And the full uncle takes the remaining. Is that understood? Yes? Give the same example. Two daughters, daughter of a son. Here, I'm going to put the full uncle, same one. But I'm going to add one, which is son of the son. Right. Who's complete prevented here? Everybody's eligible, but who's complete prevented here? Huh? The full uncle first, we'll start with him because he's not an agony anymore. This one will take him out. Do you understand that? Son of a son. His male branch will take anything straight away, full uncle. So he's completely prevented. Right. Is there any agnation here? Yes. This daughter, she agnates by her brother or cousin. It's called agnations by others. The two daughters take the 2/3. And these they take what? The remaining, which is what? 1/3. Divided into what? How much? This will take half of the share of this one. Do you understand that? This is simple. So if I want to calculate how much is the daughter of the son of the son, so we know that total shares is 3. He takes 2, and she takes 1, correct? Multiplied by the remaining, which is a third. So the daughter of the son, she will take 1/9. And the son of the son, she takes 2/9. Got it? Did you understand what I did? Are you following me? Right, I'm going to go to the same example and expand here. Listen to the two daughters. Daughter of the son. Full uncle. I'm going to put here, again, this one. These are about to be being used. They are actually being hammered. They've been hammered. The last life in them. Right, we'll go to this one. Right. full uncle. Last one is son of the son of the son of the son. Doesn't matter. So he says the same. I'm going to show you something why. So he says two-thirds. It's a complete prevention. She agonies with him, agonization by others. I'm going to put them in pockets or throw them in a bin. And I'm going to go back into this. Right. Agonization by others. They take the remaining, which is a third, divide it into the like this. Okay? Is that understood now? Do you understand me? She's still agonist even with the one below her. But listen now. That's why I'm just showing you time. She agnated because she needed him. Okay, but now something else. So we've got here a daughter of a son, full uncle. Please write it down if you want. SOSOS. It doesn't matter how many, as long as is below her. Now listen here. This is where you need to understand. Here, the daughter of the son, she's not blocked. Because he's blocked her two daughters here, she's not blocked. Full uncle is blocked because of this. Right? So now the daughter of the son, she does not agonise because she doesn't need anybody to agonise. She's still a shareholder. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because one daughter, so this one takes a half. She takes 1/6 to complete the 2/3. You understood? And then he will take the remaining. She doesn't need them. Because she's better off now. Before she will get 1/9. She's 26, she doesn't need it. Okay? But if he is equivalent to her, that's where I go here. Daughter. Same one. Daughter of a son. Full uncle. I'm going to put him equal to her. SOS. Now she hasn't got a choice to have her. She is now an agonate because it's equivalent to her. So she will have to agonate. He's not a shareholder anymore because he's the same level as her. The other one is below her. You only wanted him for the rescue because she will be defeated by the two daughters. You understand me? Here, it has to because he's at the same level. So the daughter takes a half. Polanka is completely prevented because of him. And these two takes the remaining. Okay? In the case of each is 2, shares of this one. All right, the remaining is 1 here. What's the remaining here? Half. And the shares as well is that 3 shares here. So she takes 1, he takes 2, and that's multiplied by the half. So she's 1/6, and he is 4/6. I multiplied shares into the half or to the remainder. Are you following me, Dr. Sir? Took a half, we're left with a half. Look, do you understand this? Half remaining. Just hang on a second. You understand? Just follow me, please. Okay, right. Now the daughter of the son of the son, the shares as a 3, 1 share and 2 shares. Multiplied by the half. So half, a 6. Half is 2/6. Yeah, sorry. 2/6. Half, what confused me is actually, so it's 2/6. Is that understood? Yeah. As long as you put remaining, you are correct. It's to do with calculator now. I want you to just understand where is the shares. That's the whole thing. Did you this help you a lot now? Let's go. But one day you're not going to need it. I don't need this. It comes to your mind. Yes, it becomes easy because, as I said, if you know how to memorize, it's not to memorize, it's logic. Do you need to memorize 2 + 2? No. Because you knew now what's the system, 1 + 1, and then you know that's 2, then 2 + 2 is 4. You don't need it. It's a mathematic. It's all of it to do with your brains. Because once you know who is agnate and who is the shareholders and how do they agnate, and everything's easy. So let's go now to, so we've got now share of the daughter of the son, how we can calculate this. Then we go to the wife. Wife is 2 shares, 1/8 or 1/4. If there is a branch, it's number 3. You see that? Either if there's a branch, son, son of a son, and downwards, daughter, daughter of a son, and downwards, branch, any branch, daughters or sons, then she takes 1/8, regardless of how far they are. Daughter of a son, doesn't matter. And 1/4 if there is no branch. Easy, easy. Female emancipator, if there is any if there is any agnation, it's exactly like the male emancipator. Remember, the female emancipator, Ikhwani, is an agnate. She's not a shareholder, okay? Which is the master lady who is setting the person who died free. Let's go to the following. Mother. Now today we're going to do the Umariyatan. Mother, we have explained 2 boxes, the top and the bottom. We didn't expect the middle one. Top one, it says she's a 6th if there is a branch. This slice, by the way, like this slash, it means or. If there's a branch like sons or daughters of sons and downwards, okay? So it's a branch. Do you understand what's a branch, yeah? You're branching. Or 2 or more of any brothers and or sisters, even if prevented. So let's say you've got the following. A person who died, he left, and follow me please. Okay, a father of the father, grandfather, and a mother. Okay, that's the mother we want to have today. And full brother and maternal sister. You know, sister, which is from the mother's side. Okay, right. Everybody's eligible. Complete prevention. We have the full father is a male origin. He completely prevent this and this. Any brothers and sisters will be completely prevented. Do you understand that? Right. Now the share of the mother, it is a 6th. Why? Because there is 2 brothers here. 2 brothers or more. Even they are prevented, they affected the share of the mother. Do you understand that? So she takes a 6th, and the grandfather takes the remaining, which is 5/6. Grandfather will represent the father. Do you understand what I'm saying? So these 2, the first one says 6. So if there is one, that one, the same one, say father of the father, mother, and full brother. Let's take out all full uncle. CP. It's only one brother. So it's not going to affect the share of the mother. The mother, she takes what? The bottom half, which is what? What's what? The bottom half. Please. 1/3. And he takes the remaining 2/3. Okay? In that case, the 2, because it says there, 1/6 if there is branch, or if there is 2 or more of any brothers or sisters, even if they are prevented. Understand what I'm talking about? I'm reading from here at the top. You following me, yes, doctor? The what? Full brother and? He's a full brother of the deceased, of the deceased. Father of the deceased, the full brother of the deceased. It's a relationship not to each other, to the deceased. Who is this and this one? The power, his grandfather, he is the father of him. Yeah, he's his grandfather as well. He's a full brother of the deceased, like the deceased. So he's his grandfather as well. Yeah. His grandfather will take him out. Subhanallah. But as I said to you, not all the madhab. The correct madhab, yes. Some of the madhab, they say, no, it's only the father will take him out, not the grandfather. Right, let's go to the one which is going to explain. We've got 7 minutes. And the last one, which is Umariyatan. What's Umariyatan? Umariyatan, Ikhwani. I'm looking at the notes. Can you see here? Umariyatan. Can you see that? It says it means the 2 Umar cases. Umariyatan is Umar plus Umar. As Umar was the first to judge in them, then adopted by the majority, save Ibn Abbas. Ibn Abbas did not adopt that, but he's wrong. It is also called Gharrawan, two well-known cases. It was well-known cases at the time of Umar. Or Gharibatan, two strange cases. They were famous, but they were strange. This case is only, look at this, husband, father and a mother, or wife, father and a mother, because it's not mentioned in the Quran. Husband, father and a mother, wife, father and a mother. Now, it doesn't matter how many is with them if they are completely prevented, except for the brothers. Please understand what I'm saying. So, if I say here, look, father, it's not the grandfather, it has to be the father. Father, please listen. And I got the husband here. Father, and then the mother. This is the case. So if I put here, let's say, I need to have a new. I need to throw this. They don't return back. I thought this was white. I didn't open it. This is maybe the new one. Right. Husband, father, and the mother. That's the new one. You see it? It's the only one new one. Husband, father, and mother. So let me put here, for example, full brother. Okay, full brother, and I put here son of the full brother, a paternal brother, not a paternal brother, full uncle, paternal uncle, male emancipator. Okay, right. So look at me here. Okay. This one is still Umariyatan. Still Umariyatan. Because the father will take out full brother, son of the full brother, full uncle, paternal uncle, maternal emancipator, the male emancipator. All of them are blocked, completely prevented by the male origin. So it's still Umariyatan. When it doesn't become Umariyatan, if I added another brother, regardless of how paternal brother, but maternal brother, it doesn't matter. If I paternal sister, if I add another brother or a sister, then this will affect the share of the mother. She will take a sixth. Do you remember that? Like this. Okay, sixth. She's not Umariyatan becomes. You understand that? So Umariyatan has to be one or no brothers, but not two brothers or sisters of any kind. Becomes then it's not Umariyatan. So this is Umariyatan. Now, Umar Khattab radiallahu anhu, he sold it according to the companions, and all of them agreed, except for Ibn Abbas, to the Quran. So what he did here, because you see, in this case, if you're going to go with the normal, you're going to give husband how much? Half, because there is no branch. Correct? Yes? And the mother, according to the normal shares, she's going to take, because there is nobody to block, that's a third, because she's her share. So if you got half on a share, third, what's the father going to take? Come on, Ikhwani. A sixth, isn't it? Correct? Is that logic? The mother takes more than the father? See, this doesn't make sense. That's why the Umari thing came in. Because husband takes a half, mother, she takes a third, the father takes a half of the third. Should be the other one if it is the case, or equal. It could be equal, no problem. But no way the mother, she can take more than the father. So this is where Umar radiallahu anhu, he sold it according to the Quran. He said she will take a third, but the third of the remaining. After the husband took his share, the third of the remaining. What's the third of the remaining now? We got half. What is the remaining? Third multiplied by half. How much is that? A six, and he takes the remaining. And how much is the remaining here? Oh, that's permanent. That's why it's good. Okay, that one, you have to put it somewhere. That's the one. Now I know. All right. Okay, we got it now. Right. So he takes the remaining. The remaining will be now what? 2/6. He will doubles. Who's that? The father of the mother? It doesn't matter if divorced or married. This is related to the deceased. Of course. She could be married to a second, third husband. Doesn't matter. She's still the mother of the deceased. The deceased. Relationship. We're not really concerned what is the relationship between these. Their relationship with the one who died. Okay? That's all you're confusing yourself now. Don't confuse it. This is the relationship to the deceased. So the mother, she took now a 6. Right. So I'm going to give now another example, which is the wife. I'm going to put a wife and father. Remember, father, not father of the father. Father, father, he will not be the Umariyatan because he's not as strong. So if you put here the father of the father, the mother, she takes a 3rd. Okay? And he will take a 6th. The father of the father. Do you understand that? Yes, it has to be the father, equal to him. Mother, and let's say how many, as long as there are no brothers or 2 brothers or more, doesn't matter how many, let's say full uncle, pretend like Allah will be CP. Now the wife, she takes how much? Anybody? How much is the wife? Come on. You're still looking at the time. Yalla, Yalla Yusuf. I'm not gonna. Why? Huh? Why a quarter? Tell them. No branch, quarter. Okay, it's a quarter. So we got a quarter here. Right, last thing, 20. Nothing writing. Yeah, but nothing writing. Right, so a quarter. The father is going to be taking what? The mother is going to be taking what? A quarter is the Umariyatan. Yarhamukallah. Well done. Well done. So he's going to take 1/3 multiplied by the remaining, which is 3/4, which is a quarter. Yes. It's a quarter. Just take that out. Take that out. It's a quarter. So a quarter. How much are you going to take the remaining? 2/4, a half. Okay? That's called Umariyah. You understood now? Class. So when you get more people on the group, we'll start standing them, inshallah, more homework. By this, we're finished. Please make the adhan, ikhwan.